Galactic greetings and blessings from Gaia. Allow yourselves to align and center and ground. Noa atu neamawara hashashaya hanaki. Dora sayamaka. Feel the shadows cool you. The sun warm your skin, your face. Allow the cool blue to fill you. With ease. Open your heart, your throat. Feel the sun bursting within your solar plexus. No Guatayanama aso Mora Hasaki. Niyawahalaka Yawahi Sanako. Mora Hasaki Anaso. Nakaya Sana. You are the fire. Niako ento yususopa ayako shashawahina. Naya sasata yanasano. Paula halayana. Tokuata. Nisoyatake aramaka. Shimayawala. Noatu. Once again, allow these light codes and colors open, activate your chakra systems, inviting healing. Tialahaniana ko aromahiana kito ayuko sapala. Nikashiha tanama amuhalu rashashaka alakatina koyo tihayana kasana dontiara roma Nyakaya wakana sata. Explore the colors of your world, the textures, the sounds, the scents. Tiandaka anama aluraka shayawana. The places where the sun kisses the earth. Nakwamano. The places where the trees cast their shadows and cool and mingle with the light. And know this is your creation. Norhanayanakati. Donakwapayonasayosom. Be present in the wonder of your world. Donguyamawarakashashayuna. Tiosonoesasaya nakaatura. There is always beauty where you seek kindness, support, love. What you seek, you will find. What are you seeking, dear ones? What are you asking for? What are you yearning for? what you lack, you must give yourself for you to find this reflection in your reality. Feed yourself beauty and you will receive beauty. Feed yourself acceptance, passion, intimacy, vulnerability, and you will receive this as a reflection. Those too who are supportive, loving, kind, seeking, vulnerable. Healing is a collective consciousness effect. When you heal you heal the souls of all connected. You send healing to the universe when you heal. You send healing to Gaia when you heal and ask that she is pure and clean. Send your love, your gratitude, and appreciation, and you will receive her gifts. Nora Hanakati. Always seek the gifts in every encounter, every relationship. See the gifts. Being in the here and the now allows you to see and feel and understand. That as you share you, the gift that is you, you change. You become more of you. Noya Hanyana. Invite more of you into your world by treating yourself with that you feel you are lacking. For that is why you lack it, dear one. You are asking for that which you feel you cannot give yourself, yet you contain all there is and all that is. You contain us. We are you, speaking to you through your higher self, your higher consciousness, with the wisdom and the understanding of the oversouls. Noyana Ka'ina. Everything has a voice. Everything is whispering to you. Norahanyana Katisana Ta'anana Basi. No Koyatai Sanama Ora Shiaka. Tunyana Saha Taima Katisana. Soko ora hayama kayaso. Moso mayawa ka ora masi. Misoto ana ki amora. Shua ayama anasa. Doko amboko sasha. Mitia sa tariandara kula hendara kosapakiasha. So me awer hishaiwa yanakoto. As you become more of all that you are and give yourself all that you seek, you discover more of all around you. You discover yourself when you are in the here and now. All judgment exists elsewhere, in the past, the future, which too is an illusion. It does not belong to you. You have now, this now, and only now. Neoaniana kasa. Tu porhala tayana kai uena si sala tayanako. Piko hambuko shosho marhaliana ki. Soneasa sawa. Sees every now. For it is in this place that you stop time. It is only in the now that time ceases, that you hold time in the palm of your hands. Nayuana, ti anduiga posata iwasho. Nakaharaliana mayawala kietariasa sabala halaraki nanasi. Breathe in this now, with us, with me, for I am you. Koramata yes, siala. Toyano goya goyambuko sopo shawa. I am your voice. Te antiasa tuakura samaki tala. Tumakiha sayomara haso toko. Pishone anakachi. Pisonoati anakati anasa. What you desire is within you. Value you. Appreciate who you are, and your life will appreciate. It will grow in abundance, for you will begin to see the beauty of your own creation, the power you have to change. We are universes colliding, touching, merging, timelines merging, touching, colliding. Noko empoko hasanata halo romaka dohanduko kongo sha tara. Doniana koko hamboko sopora shashahala hasana. Ground that you may fly, dear ones. When you are centered, you are strong. You weave and you wave. But you stand firm and you stand tall. Nyanoata iwa hishishoka yambaka yawandahina. Ora. Inu. Tori, Tora Hasanakawa, Nusamawa Halakatisa Namayawala Aruna, Posonora Kasi, Soko Ondoko Omboko Ashishawa Alura Kayambatisa, Miesono Yamayanasi, Bonko Yashanayawa Hayanakiana. You are the sole creators of your universe. But yet, you also are the creators of the entire multiverse, the matrix. For you alone change time, change existence, change all reality. Simply by changing and creating and expanding and knowing. And the more you know, the more aware you are, the more aware you become, the more ascension is possible. For you as entity and as a collective consciousness. Noyanai siatarin shokoyapo hanadaku. Pasonoyasha shama atayawana satsoasha. Makoyandada sola halora mashaka. Tonasa payono aurahaniana kotoro sombakashawa. Kamora nina tayasaha. You are the white, brilliant light of existence. Nakralayana. Connect. Tanasana shakaya tayaso havayana. Tasono ayashonakya ono posunataya. And we are the light with you, the light of one. Tasunataya shonaka adanyakawa. Mamorata tayandata kashnatyarakala. Nakahara liasono pashtyanakatoyasa. Nakaharliana kitoyana sasa. Honaya hinaya honaya hi shimaya sunaya hi waha hinaya hilahi miyashanyana kato. Ma koharliana si sadna pashtyanaka tosyanaka mahala.